Working here in FF in a multi-diverse environment motivate us to think more out of the box and motivate us to be more flexible and open to new ideas, always respecting the point of view of each other. My name is Pamela and I'm from Mexico. I came here in the US in 2016, and since then I have been working in Faraday Future as an advanced manufacturing engineering for the paint shop and most recently for the powertrain systems. I try to put into practice all the values that I learned at home. As an Hispanic, the family is essential. They taught me how to work hard, how to be resilient, how to be flexible. And with all these values, among others, I have been able to adapt to almost every type of situation.